Let's talk client retention. Have you ever heard the expression, if you don't change your clients, someone else will? Well, it's a hard truth. Hey everyone, I'm Erin Rizak, Erin Main Maven, and welcome to 10 Years of Disruption. I'm here with Pulp Riot Hair to show you how to disrupt your routine and shift your clients into something new, exciting, and totally manageable. This is how you build a bond with your clients that keeps them coming back for more. I'm a Jersey girl with over 2 decades in this industry. I want to share with you some of the mentoring that I've received through my career so that you can build your dream clientele, because that's what being a Pulp Riot artist is all about. My specialty is the naturally unnatural aesthetic. I love blurring those lines between natural and creative color. Today we're doing a consultation to decide if our shift needs to whisper or scream. For my model Lisa, we're going with a whisper. Lisa is looking for a copper base with a pink twist. To get there, I'm using a Teasy Light Technique to tip out the ends. Because I want a softer, more diffused result, I'll be taking larger 2-inch by 1-inch sections, packing a moderate tease from about the mids up. I'm using my board and BlondeAF with 30 volume at a 1:1 ratio to saturate those ends. Why 30, you ask? Since we're processing in open air and not in foils, that 30 volume gives me the punch I need for a quicker, cleaner lift. We'll process for 30 minutes, checking frequently. Now that we've got the brightness and the lengths, we're ready to melt. We're staying in the copper family and using Faction 8 and our high-speed toners to create our dimension. Here's the map. In Zone 1, our root area, I used 1/2 ounce of 6-34, 1/4 ounce of 7-44, and 1/4 ounce of 6-8 with 15 volume. Zone 2, our mids, is 1/2 ounce of 8-34, 1/4 7-44, and 1/4 of 8-44 with 20 volume. Zone 3, our ends, is our rose gold high-speed toner with just a pea size of our -66 red booster at a ratio of 1:1 with 6 volume. Process for 35 minutes, then shampoo thoroughly. To get a little bit more pop through the ends on towel-dried hair, I'm overlaying our semi-permanents with a custom mix of 1/2 blush, 1/4 candy, and 1/4 first base. Pro tip, by pre-toning with the rose gold high-speed toner, it gives you a base, which permits for applying semi-permanents on damp hair and not on dry as recommended. Hey, if you know the rules, you also know how to break them. Now we wait and process for an additional 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water and condition. And here's our final look, a gorgeous copper melt with that chef's kiss of pink. By playing with creative color near the ends and staying within one color family, the look remains playful but non-committal and easy to manage at home. Hot tip, send your guest home with a custom tinted conditioner. Just add a splash of your semi-permanent mix into their favorite mask. I've showed you mine, now show me yours. Tag Erin Main Maven and Pulp Riot Hair so we can see how you add your own unique color signature. Cheers to 10 years of disruption. Later friends, thanks for watching.